this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is I guess you could say a life vlog video. I did put out a video earlier today, and it is a video tutorial for the elegant stitch, which I think you guys are going to love. I love the stitch. Here it is a little better. Anyway, it's a very easy thing to do, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy that. Well, as you guys know, I was on a honeymoon all last week. I went to Charleston, South Carolina, and I will talk about that in another video for you guys. And I'll have, I really didn't do too much recording on that, but I did take a lot of pictures. So if you're, can see my pictures on Facebook, you can go look at them. I took a lot, but I will include some of those pictures. And if I can remember the places where I ate and where I was at in some of them, I will talk about that as well. But I will do a little video about the honeymoon, where we went, what all happened, and, you know, cool stuff like that, that hopefully you guys will enjoy. Well, today is a life vlog video, and so let me tell you what I have in that. I wrote this down. Let's see, some happy mail. Thank you, Patricia. I appreciate that very much. And let's see, a wasp that I caught on my ring. I thought it was cool. Let's see, Hugh picking up apples from our tree, and we gave some away at the church. My grandchildren, Knox and Charlie Mae, they came over to visit, and so it's just a little small clip of them here in my yarn room. Oh, and then my yarn room with Tanya. Let's see. Oh, and then at the end of the video, eating with my sister Linda and my mom. Linda and my mom are on the right side, and then it's Tanya, it's me, and then Tanya, yeah, on the left side. So just in case you're not familiar with who's who. Anyway, so we ended up at one of our favorite restaurants, longtime family favorite restaurants, called Casa Mexicana, and it's here in Sherwood, Arkansas. And we love that restaurant. And so, but yeah, anyway, so we ate there. I think I had nachos, Tanya had nachos, my mom and my sister Linda, I think they had that taco salad bowl thing, whatever. But anyway, so let me go ahead and just get right on into this life vlog video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And like I said, I will have another video of the honeymoon. And tomorrow is Whip Caddy Wednesday, and I have talked to Tanya, and she should be coming on as a guest tomorrow, showing off her projects. As you guys know, since I've been so busy moving in this house, which nowhere near ready as far as having it done, having the furniture in and things like that. We just have a dining room table, a bed, dresser, a little bit of the room here. My yarn room, half of it is still in my other home. But between all that, I haven't got to do as much crocheting, but Tanya has. She's been on a roll. She's been crocheting like crazy, like fire. So, yeah, she's going to come on tomorrow if she can get up and get over here. So, maybe after she watches this video, she will get up and get over here. But I told her I would like for her to be a guest on here and show off all the beautiful projects that she's working on. And she's got a few things that she has finished. And I will show you where I'm at on my table runner for Hobie. And I have I guess I have another video that I will show off some happy mail that I've got from Annie's, Furls, and my daughter Jennifer. And so I will show those off in another video. So be sure and look forward to those. So yeah, let's go ahead and just let this life vlog roll. this is some happy mail. I'm so excited. I just love this. This is from Patricia. Let me look at this real quick, see where Patricia's from, because I forgot. Yeah, Ohio. All the way from Ohio. How cool is that? She sent a card, and these are 2 personal notes, which I love, Patricia. Thank you so much for that. And I love this little box. It had all these little heart stickers on the inside and these 2 magnet book holder type things. I love those things. And look at these. She crocheted some flowers. They have magnets on them. Look at that. That is so cool. She said it's a his and her thing. And I just love it. Thank you so much, Patricia. I love this card right here. And she wrote a little personal note on the inside of that. And look at that. Pamela and Hugh with a heart and a little smiley face. It is so cool. I just love this. And I'm going to cherish these cards forever, Patricia. Thank you so much. And I'm going to cherish those as well. It's just beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, here's a picture that is fixing to be hung along with these. Hopefully they'll be on the wall the next time I do a video. Okay, I caught her resting. This is a mess. This is not all bad. It's only half of my other yarn room. No, I still have a closet full of stuff. She's my helper today, huh? Ooh. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.